Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what's new in Gamma's AI. This is gamma.app. So here, if you want to make extraordinary presentation, you can use AI tools, AI website, PowerPoint powered by AI, generated by AI. By access this gamma.app, don't forget to sign in. And also, if you want to get unlimited AI, you can join Pro. You can upgrade to Plus or Pro account by pay monthly or pay yearly. And here there is a new feature like sites beta. This is a website that don't stress you out in seconds. So here you can create sites by use this gamma.app here. And also there is AI image, so you can generate a new image powered by AI. So this is my last generated, because I made a presentation about the Egypt, about the Cleopatra, about the Pharaoh in June 2024. Now here you can write the text prompt here, and the AI images by gamma.app will generate it for you. So here there's a fast speed with bright vivid color speed. This is the type of the result. Imagine 3 fast, and also playground 2.5 here. And here, this is if you upgrade into Plus, there is a Leonardo Phoenix, Playground 3, Imagine 3, and also there's Ideogram 2 Turbo. And if you upgrade your account into the premium models, you will get Doll E. This is very famous one. Flux Ultra, Ideogram 2, Recraft, and Recraft Vector Illustrations. And also here there is of course there is a template. They are keep update over time. So maybe you want to use this pitch deck by templates by gamma.app that can use inspiration. This is just for fun, things that the team made here at Gamma. Themes, so here you can control the color, fonts, logo, and design of your Gammas. Build your own and import PowerPoint or customize a standard theme in here. So you can import your existing project, or you can click a new theme here. Custom fonts. Gamma comes with Google Fonts, but you can also upload your own to use in the custom themes. So you can get the custom font from dafont.com, for example, and upload in the font family, but you have to upgrade into Pro account. And this is the trash, your deleted project. So feel free to try to use Gamma. If you have if you want to get more experience, you can upgrade your account into the Plus or Pro one. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.